Hey everyone! If you've clicked on this video, you're probably looking for some quick and easy ways to make money online, right? Well, you're in the right place. I'm here to guide you through some beginner-friendly methods that can help you start earning cash from the comfort of your home. Let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about online surveys. Yes, they might not make you rich overnight, but they're a super easy way to start. Companies are always looking for feedback on their products, and they're willing to pay for your opinions. Just sign up with websites like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie, and you can start earning immediately. It's that simple. Next, consider the world of freelance gigs. Are you good at writing, graphic design, or even video editing? Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are goldmines for talents like yours. Create a profile, showcase your skills, and start bidding on projects. The best part? You set your own rates and work as much or as little as you want. It's all about flexibility. Now, for those of you who love shopping, did you know you can make money from it? No joke. Websites like Rakuten offer cashback on purchases from numerous online stores. Simply sign up, shop through their links, and you'll earn back a percentage of what you spend. Plus, they often have welcome bonuses that give you extra cash just for joining. And here's a quick tip for the tech-savvy consider cryptocurrency investments. It's a bit more advanced, but platforms like Coinbase make it easier for beginners to get started with small investments. Remember, the crypto world can be volatile, so do your research and invest wisely. Lastly, have you ever thought about starting your own YouTube channel or blog? Choose a niche you're passionate about, start creating content, and monetize it with ads, sponsorships, or merchandise. It might take a bit of time to build an audience, but the potential earnings can be huge. Wrapping up, making money online doesn't have to be complicated. With a bit of effort and creativity, you can start padding your wallet from your laptop or smartphone. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and start earning. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks. Catch you in the next video.